I didn't see a video on this, so I figured I would post one. I am not a YouTuber by any means, but this is just a quick video. My cable broke on my cover, and it was frayed here and here, to the point there was only 3 or 4 strands holding it together. So I went over to Depot, picked up these flush type cable clamps, 367, 354. They were the smallest ones they had, and got the 16, I guess it's a 16 thick cable that you cut. I got about 7 feet. I'm roughly about 4.5 feet long. I want to make sure I have plenty for my loops. So what I did is you undo these 2 screws here, of which you'll see there's a bigger screw. The little screw stripped out when I took it out. The other side went in fine. And you undo them, pull these 2 ends out on both sides. When you get them out, you're able to route the cable through here, bring it back up again, and put it through the little, they call them the cable clamp, flush type. This is the only thing that seems to fit in the track. And you'll notice I put both of them on one side because it's a 3/16. It was slipping on the other side. So once I looped it in there, slid this back in again into the track, screw the screws in, then moved over to the other side. Pulled the other one out, slid the loop in, left it loose, and let these 2 screws out, and just slid this piece all the way down to here, right before this stopped. That gave me a big enough loop to take, well, I should have reiterated, clarify, you should put this rubber tube on first as you're sliding on. I have this for my cover, you may have something different. Slid it down into here, and like I said, looped it around and put it back into this block. Once you get this in here, you kind of push this into place where these line up and pull your excess of your cable out, which you'll see I have buried down in here. I wasn't sure how long I was going to need. I want to make sure I have plenty. In any case, slid that back up, tighten this block, then screw these screws back down once this was somewhat snug. And you'll see the piece fits right up to the stop, so I get used to. Once I got done that, I got in here with greased up this portion right here, and all over on this block. I jammed it up into these sides and the sides. What I could have probably done is when I loosened this one up, slid it all the way in, greased up the whole assembly, and then slid this back into place. But that's just to make sure that everything moves nice and smooth, and it doesn't bind up again down here and break the strands. Someone may find a clearer video later, but this is just the first one I was able to find. Have a good day.